In this video I will show you what to do if your iPad Air lost its audio after the ipadOS latest update. Many users reported that shortly after an update the loudspeakers of their iPads no longer make a sound. Some said that their devices don't play the notifications or even music tracks. If you also have this problem, here's what you need to do. First solution: disable Bluetooth and do the forced restart. It is possible that your iPad is currently paired with a Bluetooth device, and if that's the case then its audio is channeled through that device. To rule this out, try disabling its Bluetooth first. Pull down the control center, then tap the Bluetooth icon. When the Bluetooth is already disabled and your device still has no audio, then try doing the forced restart. There's a possibility that your tablet just needs to have its memory refreshed. To force restart your iPad, press and hold the home button and the power key at the same time for 10 seconds. This will trigger the device to power off and turn back on. When the Apple logo shows, release both keys and wait until the boot process is completed. After the restart and your iPad still has no audio, then try the next solution. Second solution: reset all the settings of your iPad. If the first solution didn't fix the problem, then bring your iPad back to its factory settings or default configuration by resetting all the settings. This is one of the most effective solutions against firmware-related problems that occurred without apparent reason. This is how you do it. From the home screen, tap Settings. Tap General if it's not selected yet. Touch Reset to view all the reset options available. Touch Reset all settings. If prompted, enter your security lock. Tap the reset option and then confirm it. Your iPad will reboot after this. Once it has finished rebooting, try to see if the audio is now working properly. Third solution: factory reset your iPad. If the problem continues after the previous solution, then it's time to reset your iPad. A reset should be able to fix this problem, but before you actually do that, make sure to create a backup of your important files, as they will be deleted. When ready, follow these steps. To reset your iPad, from the home screen, tap Settings. Tap General if it's not selected yet. Tap Reset to view all other reset options. Tap Erase all contents and settings. Tap Erase now. If prompted, enter your security lock. Tap Erase and then confirm it. Enter your Apple ID password and tap Erase at the upper right corner. Wait until your iPad has finished the reset and then set it up as a new device. I hope that this simple troubleshooting guide has been helpful. Please support us by clicking like, share, subscribe and hit the notification bell for more troubleshooting videos.